This is a problem from the homework that many of you struggled with, so I'm going to go through the solution. A 4.8 milliliter sample of phosphoric acid solution of unknown concentration is titrated with sodium hydroxide, this concentration. A volume of 7.32 milliliters of sodium hydroxide was required to reach the equivalence point. Calculate the concentration of phosphoric acid. So again, remember, for equivalence points, the moles of H plus in solution is equal to the moles of OH minus. One wrinkle in this problem, though, is that we have phosphoric acid, which is what's known as a polyprotic acid. Phosphoric acid is essentially equal to 3 protons, 3 H pluses, and 1 phosphate polyatomic ion. And so the balanced chemical equation for this neutralization reaction is phosphoric acid plus 3 sodium hydroxide produce 3 waters and trisodium phosphate. So we have to take into account the stoichiometry. We need 3 hydroxides per phosphoric acid. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the information given about the base to calculate how much of this I have. And so I'll take 1.050 times 10 to the minus 2 moles of NaOH per liter of NaOH. And I'll multiply it by the volume, 0.00732 liters. And that gives me a number of 7.69 times 10 to the minus 5 moles of OH minus. So now I have this number, and I can use, that means that gives me the number of moles of H plus, but remember I got to take into account this. The way I would approach this is I would say, okay, I have 7.69 times 10 to the minus 5 moles of hydroxide, or you could also think of this as a regular stoichiometry problem, and that's moles of NaOH. And it takes 3 moles of NaOH to react with 1 mole of phosphoric acid. This 3 came from my stoichiometric coefficient. Okay, so at this point I have moles of phosphoric acid, and I want the concentration. Remember, concentration is moles over liters, and I have the moles of phosphoric acid. And I know what volume of phosphoric acid those moles were in, so I'm going to divide that 0.00480 liters of phosphoric acid. And then what I wind up with is moles over liters of phosphoric acid, and that's the number I want. And what I get is 5.34 times 10 to the minus 3. And that is my answer. That's the concentration, 5.34 times 10 to the minus 3 molar phosphoric acid.